Guys, what do you do when you only have 13.6 volts between R and C? Now when I go between R and anything else, I have 26 volts. Bear with me, I got one hand. I have 26 volts between R and everything else, but not R and C. So let's see what it is. All right, guys, I'm at the indoor unit. As you can see, the blue is not even connected. I believe they're using brown as the common, because I did see a brown. So let's see if that's it. Yeah, guys, if you look on the blower motor here, common is brown. So let's test it out. All right, guys, as you can see, I got 26 volts. The brown was hidden in the back. A customer called me. They tried to do their own thermostat, so I assumed that the blue is being used as a common, but it's not. So